In this section, we are going to optimize the electrical environment. The default settings for a new project is the user document AutoCAD electrical project folder. We want to change this to our target folder defined in Vault for electrical projects. To do this, we navigate to the electrical environment file. It's this WD environment, and within this environment file there is a section that defines all project and drawing related path and settings. So the first line in this section is the default we just used. It's the electrical default project directory. The line below in this example is already predefined and maps to the new local workspace target folder CAE. So it's exactly the path, if we navigate to the working folder, that is activated right now in the second line. We save the file, and once AutoCAD Electrical is restarted, the new setting is going to be evaluated and used. New project, and we see the new project's location will be the local workspace CAE folder. AutoCAD Electrical can automatically create a subfolder with the project name. We use this option. Fill some descriptions of our project, and with that we are ready to check in our first project. The check-in maps to the new location. The secondary project file is automatically created and checked in as well.